Hey YouTube, today I busted 6 packs of the new score, and yeah, I'll just show you what I got. And also I have a mail day from Black Sheep 217, so I'll open that right after. Bunch of base from the score, and I got the 6 golds were Dan Hamhuis, Zach Smith, Jacob Josephin, Max Pacioretty, Sergei Gonchar, and Kyle Clifford. And then here were my inserts and rookies. I got Malkin award winners, Dalton Prote hot rookie, Jake Allen hot rookie, Ryan Hamilton hot rookie. I'm pretty sure that one's pretty good. And netcam of Jose Theodore, first goal of Justin Falk, and I got a franchise card of Henrik Sedin. I really like the franchise cards. Got some foil on it this year, and yeah, I really like these cards. But anyways, I'll bust up the mail. Let's see. Okay, here we go. From, Black Sheep 217. Let's see what we got. This is from his 2012 Ultimate Contest. I gained second place, and we all really appreciate your contest, so thanks. The decoy, David Runeblad, Ultimate Rookie. Really nice. Brandon Sutter Autofacts. And Nathan Horton UD Game Jersey. So really nice, and yeah, thanks a lot for the contest, and thanks.